With the joint agreement solution, you can grant another e-signature account access to specific documents in an envelope. Creating a joint agreement is similar to creating an envelope. You add your documents, recipients, and fields. However, with a joint agreement transaction, you can also include documents provided by another party, also called a network partner. The document can include additional terms and requirements as defined by your network partner. Your recipients can sign all the documents in a single signing session. When the joint agreement transaction is completed, the network partner automatically receives an email notification with a link to review the documents. They can only view the documents you granted them access to. To get started sending joint agreements, you first need to open an invitation link to join your partner's network. Log into your existing DocuSign e-signature account. If you don't have an account, you can create a free 30-day trial. Follow the prompts to send a request to join your partner network. You must be an e-signature administrator to perform these steps. You'll receive an email notification once your request is approved. To create a joint agreement, click Start, Envelopes, and then Send an envelope. Upload your documents. Click the Document menu and select Set Document Access. Select your network partner's name from the drop-down list to grant them access to the document. You can also grant your network partner access to multiple documents or grant document access to different partners within your joint agreement. When you grant document access, the network partner is automatically added as a carbon copy recipient as part of the signing workflow. The network partner is notified once the envelope is complete and can view the selected documents. Continue adding your recipients. Depending on the network settings, you may be required to add a secondary verification method for signers. Click Next Add Fields. Add additional fields if needed, and click Send when you are ready to send your joint agreement. Your recipients receive your documents and your network partner's documents in a single joint agreement transaction. They may be asked to verify their identity and agree to additional terms and conditions before reviewing the documents. Once the joint agreement transaction is completed, the network partner is notified and can access the documents you granted them access to.